Hello again, everyone, and welcome to my messy bench. I think that's what I'm going to call my next YouTube channel, Darren's Messy Workbench. Anyway, this is the continuation of the camera flash project here. I'm wanting to make basically a flash that I can embed remotely in a scene and then set off during the exposure. And so that's the naked tube right there. I decided to go ahead and pull that out all the way. I've got to probably my most ginger soldering operation. I'm going to have to solder that wire onto the end there. Got to be careful doing that. But other than that, this is going to be a pretty straightforward wiring job here. And to enclose, one of the problems I needed to solve was how to transmit the power. And it suddenly hit me to try using a phone jack. And I could just use a phone cord to send 3 wires worth of a pulse of electricity to the bulb from the board here. Let's hope it works. But I went and I found this kind of junction box thingy, and I was able to drill some holes in it to accommodate a push button and an on-off switch, which are going to replace the push buttons and on-off switch that are on here that you can see. You can see the switch right there and that awful push button switch right there. I'm going to replace those with that switch and then this button, which is a nice red push button here. So this plate just kind of snaps into place here. And that's the assembly basically done, except for those ugly screw holes there, because this is supposed to have a wall plate on it after this. And then from there, it's just, like I said, it's pretty much got to solder some extra wires into place, and then I've got to connect, wires from here, wires to there, and solder everything up. But from here, it's tedious, but more or less straightforward. And then for the bulb end, once I get this wire soldered on, I found this little guy at Lowe's. Everything else here came from Menards, which is just a bare jack. And this is solderless. You actually press the wires into place here, and then you use this tool to essentially punch them down. Let me get that on camera. You use this tool here that you can punch the wires down onto some blades. I don't know if you can see that very well here. So that's how you connect wires to this. And so the idea is I'm going to make sure I match all the colors. You might be able to see the color codes embossed on there to tell you what colors go where. Basically, to match color to color from here to here, I'm using yellow for the white, but otherwise it goes as red to red and black to black. Well, red to red, black to black, and then I'm doing yellow to white. And I just have to remember that. So, yeah, anyway, that is where we are at right now. And I'm hoping I can have a better build video for you here coming up, but in the meantime I thought I would go ahead and let you know where I'm at. So if you have been, thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe below or to leave a comment. Thanks very much and have a great day.